For billions of years, Earth has been a target in the vast cosmic battlefield, struck by asteroids, comets, and meteors that have shaped its surface in history. But what if a massive asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, were to head straight for us at a staggering speed of 70,000 kilometers per hour? The impact would unleash energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, an explosion powerful enough to wipe out entire continents. As the asteroid is detected, scientists around the world scramble for solutions. Global leaders hold emergency meetings, and panic spreads across the globe. News broadcasts warn of impending doom, evacuation plans are made, and humanity faces the terrifying reality of an unstoppable force from space. As the asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it glows, red hot, turning night into day and filling the sky with fire. The moment it makes contact, a blinding explosion sends shockwaves across the planet, flattening everything in its path, while tsunamis hundreds of meters high surge across coastlines. The impact sends trillions of tons of dust and debris into the air, blocking sunlight and plunging the world into an impact winter. Crops fail, temperatures drop, and survival becomes a battle against the harshest conditions Earth has ever seen. But history has shown that Earth is resilient. Life has survived catastrophic events before, and against all odds it finds a way to rebuild. The question remains, if such an event were to happen again, will humanity have the knowledge, technology, and unity to prevent total destruction? Or will we become just another chapter in Earth's long story of extinction and rebirth?